How to save document from WhatsApp to laptop. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to save document from WhatsApp to laptop. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open WhatsApp on your laptop. I will open the web version. Nevertheless, the process to save the document is the same no matter if it is in the browser or in the app. So once you have opened WhatsApp, go ahead and open the conversation from where you want to download the document from. You will then see the download button beside the document you want to download. Tap on that, and with this, the downloading process will begin. Wait for the download to complete. The downloading time might vary depending on the size of your location. Once downloaded, open Downloads on your laptop and locate the file you just downloaded. And as you can see, the file has been saved successfully. So this is how you can save a document from WhatsApp to laptop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.